This is Kim Miller with Advantage. We're standing here in our parade house. Advantage Signature Homes is known for building fully custom homes. If you can dream it, we can build it. Standing here in this kitchen, we have a fully custom appliance line with GE Cafe appliances, quartz, a custom brick fireplace. This home is also one of our most energy efficient builds of 2023. This has a heat pump system, upgraded insulation, a gas water heater, and a garage heater. This also qualifies for the Lynn County dual meter program, which helps with utility bills. Looking forward to seeing you out on the parade this year. Thank you.